yeah, I'm trying to make better YouTube videos and edit. Right now I can't edit 4K because I got really crappy. This is a Microsoft Life Cam, and it drops frames. OBS tells me it's dropping frames. I got a PlayStation camera here, I try that. It's dropping frames. And then I went and bought this Logitech camera. It's dropping frames. It's dropping frames. So now I'm going to plug this into OBS, see if it's dropping frames. And then next I'm going to, I'm not going to use the laptop anymore. Look at this laptop. It's like brand new touchscreen laptop. Like, come on guys, I'm not cheap here. Touchscreen laptop. It's, that Pentium. I know, that's a problem right there. It's not AMD Ryzen, right? That's what I want is a Ryzen, but I have 4 kids. I'm a single dad, right? This is my shop, my home away from home, and my 3D print farm is upstairs. My kids live in Mattawa. The Mattawa River is key to the whole trade route back in the day. So there's another computer. It's a dud. The SATA ports are dead, or else that would have been a beast. Hey, that was an Acer. Oh my god. I just want to edit the video so I don't get commented anymore and said, hey, you don't take the time. I got all these ideas. Look at this, guys. This is a good idea right here. Okay? This is going to be a whole nother video.